Today on Chillin' with Dillon, we are going to be making cookies, my dad's special ones, the Nestle cookies. So you ready? We call it Chillin' with Dillon, you hope you're feeling the feeling. From the floor to the ceiling, so much joy I'm spilling. Get up, get down, get ready, let's go. We hope you enjoy the show. Couple of important steps before you start cooking. Make sure to preheat your oven to 375. Make sure to have a parent supervising. If your kid is pressing the buttons, make sure to help your kid so he doesn't burn your hand. Another important tip, make sure to have a light baking sheet, or if you don't have a light baking sheet, make sure to have aluminum foil. Make sure to pre-cool a baking sheet. A large plate, pre-cool that if you don't have a baking sheet. So, let's go over the ingredients we'll need. First of all, some sugar,
Num num.
some brown sugar,
Num num.
baking soda, salt, vanilla. We use homemade, but if you don't know how to make vanilla, just buy it. Flour, and the best thing of all, chocolate chips. I want to eat one of these. What makes baking cookies easier is one of these mixers.
Oh, yeah.
But if you got patience and a strong arm, you can just do it with a one spoon and a bowl. Or you can use a hand mixer. Couple ingredients I forgot to mention because they're chilling in the fridge. Lots of butter pellets and 2 eggs. Yummy! Next step, we're going to get the brown sugar and the sugar, put it in the mixer or a bowl if you're one of those strong people, or a hand mixer. And then make sure not to do it here with the sugar because it could spray everywhere. So let's grab the sugar. Now the brown sugar. Little chunk. It's a big chunk. And now, yeesh. And we're mixing. Let's wait patiently. We've been mixing it up for a while. As you can see, the brown sugar and the sugar are mixed up now. Let's add the butter, eggs, and vanilla. Turn it off, unlock it, turn it up, take this off, put it in the sink, get the butter, dump it in there. There's some frozen corn. Okay, let's use this. These are mixing scrapers. They work really good. Let's go ahead and spread the butter around without the mixer. And oops, that didn't break. Okay, let's put that in the dirty dishes. Okay, now let's put these in the dirty dishes. Egg time. Okay, no idea what that is, but dirty dish. And finally, the vanilla. Yummy. And now, this mixes up stuff that's kind of hard to do. So let's just find the good spot. Put it down. Lock it on number 2. I'm going to snap now and it's going to be ready. It's really important not to mix this too much, but I just snapped it so it did perfectly. So now we have the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. And do not confuse it for actual soda because a person accidentally poured grape soda in there. So let's beep. Beep. See, it's all mixed up now. Okay. Now we're not gonna need this. We're going to go over here. Here. Detach this. You're wondering where we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it on the side because it's messy. Okay. Okay. That worked too. Pour it all of it in. My dad made me make that mess into a success. So we got it in here. So now we're just gonna do that for a little bit. It's gonna be a sec, and now I'm gonna clip it on. Bim, lock. Miss, ready?
Alright, so this one I heard you don't want to mix it too much up either, just until it starts getting clumpy.
Yeah, but this one, I also searched it up. You can't do a magic snap for these. So let's see. The snap really worked. So now let's turn it off. And let's pour a whole bag of Nestle chocolate chips. We're making Nestle Toll House chocolate chips, aka my dad's cookies. So pour a whole entire bag. That's a lot of chocolate chips. They're good, not expired. Slam dunk! Mixing time. Still locked. That's our dough. Then the dough's chunked together. Let's turn it off now. Okay, here's what the dough should look like. Do not take too much of this, because it has raw eggs in it. But that's doing good. Now for cooking. We like to use a tablespoon scoop. Let's make them all go down with this one with magic. Party of 9. Okay, let's get these babies in the oven. 375. I have 11 minutes, middle rack. My dad helped me pull these cookies out of the oven because they're steaming hot. So let's wait 2 minutes, aka 1 magic snap. You ready? My dad helped me move these from the magic snap, and we put them on this cool baking stone. If you skip back to the start, you can see we put it in the refrigerator. The best part about making cookies isn't about eating them, it's about sharing them with your neighbors. Let's go give these to Michael, my neighbor. My neighbors were so excited about the cookies. So, see you on the next video. Bye-bye! Peace out. We call it chilling with Dillon. You hope you're feeling the feeling. From the floor to the ceiling, how much joy I'm feeling. Get up, get down, get ready, let's go. We hope you enjoy the show.